In this video, I'm gonna guide you through how to change email on Heyday. If you are looking for a way to change your Heyday email address, then here's how you can do it. To get started, open up your Heyday game and make sure that you are in this page. After you are in, tap on the menu bar at the top left-hand corner and tap on Settings in the sub-menu. Tap the Connected button right next to Supercell ID and then tap on the Gear button on the top left-hand corner above your profile picture. Scroll down and tap on the Change Email option right next to Logged In With, where you can see your email address. After you tap on Change Email, ensure that you can still access your current email address by tapping Yes. You'll now need to verify your current email address. Go ahead and open up your email inbox and enter the code that is sent to you in the text boxes. You'll receive an email change request from Supercell. Tap it open and then copy the code that you received. Now you can go back to Heyday app and paste in the code. Now tap on Submit when done. Now you'll need to enter the new email that you'd like to change to. Enter it into the Enter New Email text box and make sure to type in an email you have access to and tap on Submit. Now you'll again need to verify this new email address. Open up the new email inbox and you'll receive an email from Supercell with the code in it. Tap on it and then copy the code again. Go back to Heyday app and paste in the new code. After pasting in the new email verification code, tap on Submit, tap on Confirm, and it says that if you confirm to change the email to the new one, you won't be able to use the previous email address to log into your game. So while logging into the game, make sure to enter the new email that you are changing to. Tap on Confirm and then tap OK, and that is how you should be able to change your email on Heyday. Next time you try to log into Heyday, make sure to enter the new email. That is how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again with the next tutorial video. Goodbye till then.